Hi guys, it's Carolyn with Crafting with Wine, and I'm coming back on to do my little giveaway for all of the cards that were sent for Donna over at Little Spaceman Paper Crafts. I'll leave a link to her channel below as well, and to Vicky over at Crafty Haven. I'll leave a link to her channel as well, because I partnered up with her, asked her if I could, to do this card drive for Donna and Riley on their prospective husband and father. And I was, obviously these are things that you're going to use next year, are some Christmas stamp sets, some gold embroidery thread, and then a little baggie full of other goodies that's going to be one. I'll leave that video in the description box below so you can see everything that's in that little bag too. I'll get my ink pen out of the way here, and I had, I think, 8 or 10 cards. I put everybody's name here on a piece of paper, and I am going to pull out a winner for my drawing, and I'm going to look away here and get a winner. And it is Ruth. Ruth, you're the winner of this giveaway. I kept everybody's envelopes, so there's no need to send me an email. And everybody was kind enough to put their return addresses on their envelopes. So Ruth, I'll be sending this out to you in the next few days. Thank you, sweetie. I really appreciate it very much. Cheers.